In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a phone number with the Tidio Chatbot on your WordPress site. First, ensure that Tidio is already installed on your WordPress site, either via the plugin or by manually adding the script. If you haven't done this yet, make sure to check out the resources available on how to install Tidio, as it's a crucial first step to proceed. Once you've got Tidio installed and set up, head over to the Tidio dashboard and navigate to the Flows section. Here is where the magic happens. You can create a new flow from scratch or choose to edit an existing one, depending on your needs. This flow is essentially a series of automated steps that will guide your visitors through the interaction you're designing. When you're in the flow editing interface, the first thing you need to do is select a trigger. Triggers are the starting points of your chatbot flow. You can choose a trigger like Visitor opens page, Visitor clicks on chat widget, or even Visitor says, among others. Pick one that aligns well with how you want to engage with your website visitors. It sets the stage for meaningful interaction. Next, it's time to add an Ask a Question node to your flow. This is where you ask for the visitor's phone number. A simple and direct question like, "Can I get your phone number so we can contact you?" works well. Make sure that in the settings of this node, you set the validation to phone number. This ensures that the response collected is not only numeric, but also properly formatted, avoiding any potential errors down the line. If your goal is to save this phone number as a reference for future interactions, you'll want to connect this question node to an Update Contact Property action. This step captures the phone number as a specific property, such as Contact Phone. If the phone property does not already exist in your settings, you might need to create a custom contact property of type phone number. To do this, navigate to Settings, then Tags and Properties, and set it up there. For more structured information collection, you might consider using the Send a Form node instead. This allows you to create a form that can collect multiple fields, such as phone number, name, and email. If you want to ensure that the phone number field is completed by your visitors, mark it as required. Once you've gathered the phone number, adding a follow-up message can maintain engagement and show appreciation, such as, "Thanks, we'll reach out soon." After setting up your flow, activate it to put it into action. Finally, it's crucial to test the flow on your WordPress site. Whether you do this through a preview or with actual visitors, confirm that the entire process works seamlessly and that the phone number is correctly saved in contacts under the appropriate property. Happy chatbot building!